Imagine a regular day, everything seems routine when suddenly the sky lights up brighter than 1,000 noon suns. This is not the dawn of a new day, nor the stage of some cosmic light show. This is the unthinkable event, the explosion of our very own sun. What was once a comforting, warm glow in our sky has become a beacon of intense, blinding light. This spectacle, as mesmerizing as it might be, would be our first indication that something has gone terribly wrong. We're talking about a supernova, the grand finale of a star's life. It's a powerful, luminous stellar explosion that releases as much energy as the sun would emit over its entire lifetime. For a brief moment, this cataclysmic event could outshine an entire galaxy, turning night into day and making the simplest shadows a thing of the past. From the surface of Earth, we'd see a shockwave, a brilliant ring of fire expanding out from the heart of the sun. This would be the sun's outer layers, thrown into space at millions of miles per hour. And yet, despite its speed, this wave of destruction would take its sweet time to reach us. Even at light speed, it would take about 8 minutes for the first effects to hit Earth. A testament to the vast, almost incomprehensible distances in our universe. But what would this mean for life as we know it? Well, in the short term, not much would change. That's the cruel irony of it. There would be no immediate apocalyptic destruction. Life would continue, at least for a little while, under the light of a dying sun. Yet the clock would be ticking. With the sun's energy supply cut off, our planet would be living on borrowed time. We'd be left in a world growing colder and darker by the minute, a chilling reminder of the sun's crucial role in our existence. This is the moment our sun has gone supernova, an event that would change everything we know about life on Earth. This is the start of a journey into the unknown, a glimpse into a future where the unthinkable has become reality. As the light from the sun's explosion reaches Earth, a series of rapid, catastrophic events would unfold. This is not the plot of a science fiction movie, but the grim reality of what would happen if our sun were to go supernova. The immediate aftermath would be as swift as it would be devastating. The first wave of destruction would come in the form of violent solar winds, traveling at millions of miles per hour. These winds, far more potent than anything we've ever experienced, would act like a cosmic sandblaster, stripping away the Earth's protective atmosphere. Without this shield, the harmful cosmic radiation would penetrate the surface, wreaking havoc on all forms of life and technology. Next comes the heat. Imagine the hottest day you've ever experienced, then multiply it by 1,000. The increase in temperature would be so extreme, it would ignite widespread fires, turning our green planet into a flaming orb. Every forest, every field, every city would be set ablaze, incinerating everything in its path. The oceans, once a source of life, would start to evaporate, adding to the already unbearable heat. And then, the final act of this cosmic tragedy. The sun, in its death throes, would expand, its outer layers reaching out into the solar system. Earth, caught in this stellar embrace, would be engulfed. The intense heat and pressure would cause the planet to melt, its rocky crust turning into a sea of molten lava. This is a scenario where no bunker, no spaceship, no technology could save us. Life, in all its diverse and beautiful forms, would simply cease to exist. The Earth, our home, would be transformed into a lifeless, burning rock, drifting in the darkness of space. Within minutes of the sun's explosion, life as we know it would cease to exist. A sobering thought indeed, but one that underscores our place in the universe and the fragile beauty of our existence. Beyond the immediate devastation, the long-term effects of a supernova on Earth are equally grim. Let's delve into the profound changes that would follow such a cosmic catastrophe. Firstly, the very fabric of our planetary system would unravel. With the sun's explosion and subsequent disappearance, its gravitational pull that keeps Earth and other planets in orbit would vanish. Without this celestial anchor, Earth could be flung out of its established route, careening into the cold, dark corners of space, or even colliding with other planets in a catastrophic game of cosmic billiards. Secondly, the loss of the sun would plunge our world into an eternal night. The sun, our primary source of light and heat, would be no more, leaving Earth shrouded in darkness. This perpetual night would cause temperatures to plummet drastically. The average surface temperature on Earth, currently a comfortable 15 degrees Celsius, would drop to below -100 degrees in just a week. The oceans would begin to freeze over, turning from vast, dynamic bodies of water into solid, icy wastelands. This extreme cold, coupled with the lack of sunlight, would spell disaster for life as we know it. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants produce food and oxygen, would cease. Without new oxygen being produced and food chains being disrupted, life forms would start to die off. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, the extinction would be universal. Even humans, with all our ingenuity and resourcefulness, would be hard-pressed to survive in such harsh conditions. Ultimately, Earth would be left a barren, frozen sphere, drifting aimlessly through space. Without the sun's warmth and light, the vibrant, life-sustaining planet we know would be reduced to a mere shadow of its former self. The bustling cities, lush forests, and deep oceans that once teemed with life would be but distant memories. In the end, Earth would become a dark, lifeless rock floating in the vast expanse of the universe. This scenario might seem terrifying, but it's important to remember that our sun is not expected to go supernova for another 5 billion years. Now, let's pivot our perspective a bit. The sun, our very own star, is an absolute marvel. It's a constant, radiant source of energy that powers life as we know it on Earth. It's the reason we have days and nights, seasons and climate. It's the reason plants photosynthesize, providing oxygen and sustaining the food chain. And let's not forget, it's the reason we can enjoy a bright sunny day at the beach or a beautiful sunset. But the sun is not just crucial for life on Earth. It's also a part of a larger, awe-inspiring cosmic ballet. It's one star among countless others in our galaxy, the Milky Way, which is just one among an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. This vast expanse of space and time, filled with celestial bodies and phenomena far beyond our comprehension, is a testament to the wonders of the universe. It's a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, and it underscores the importance of continued exploration and understanding. Every day, scientists and researchers around the world are learning more about our solar system, our galaxy, and the universe. They're unraveling the mysteries of black holes, discovering new planets, and studying distant galaxies. They're trying to understand the very nature of space and time, matter and energy. This knowledge not only satisfies our curiosity but also has practical implications. It can help us better protect our planet, prepare for potential cosmic threats, and maybe someday, even find life beyond Earth. So, while our sun's supernova is a catastrophic event, it's not something we need to worry about in our lifetime. Instead, let's marvel at the wonders of our universe and continue exploring the mysteries of space.